For over 150 years, Japan has redefined its place in the world, from an emerging empire to an economic powerhouse, and today, a key player shaping the Indo-Pacific order. Meet Professor Kei Koga, Associate Professor in the Public Policy and Global Affairs Program at NTU School of Social Sciences. Professor Koga studies how Japan's diplomacy, economy, and security policies evolve to meet global challenges. In today's episode, Professor Koga shares insights from his latest book, Japan's Grand Strategy, Liminal Power in an Uncertain World, co-authored with Professor Saori Katada from the University of California, Santa Barbara. To understand Japan's role today, we begin with the question that sparked this research.
So we tend to talk a lot about the great powers, but the small and the middle powers matter too. Japan stood out to me because since the Meiji era in the 18th century, its status has changed so dramatically from the small power in the Meiji era to the rising power in the war period, and to the economic superpower in the Cold War to a middle power in the post-Cold War. This evolution is what made me want to study it more.
But what exactly shapes a nation's long-term direction? We asked Professor Koga to define what grand strategy really means.
Grand strategy is an essentially long-term national roadmap for the survival, prosperity, and status. This is not something only great power pursues. Japan experienced as the small power status. They focused on the economic and also the military capabilities, and then they invested the resources in that. But when they actually became the economic superpower, then they actually shifted its grand strategy to focus more on the economic comparative advantage than focusing on the military advantage.
The study traces the evolution of Japan's strategy from the Meiji era's modernization and post-war recovery to its current Indo-Pacific vision. Japan as a liminal power. But what does that really mean?
Liminality in the simple terms means the being in between, and Japan has occupied this space for a long time, geographically, politically, and in terms of its power status. And while this often creates the identity confusion or identity crisis, this provides advantage for the states to bridge the regional differences and also the different actions.
By leveraging its liminal position, Japan aims to position itself as a stabilizing force amid shifting US-China relations.
Japan is now playing an active role in shaping the rules-based international order regionally and globally, one that actually makes the state behavior more predictable than the power-based order. And if we take a look at Japan's Indo-Pacific strategy, it's not only important for the grand strategy for Japan, but also for the international politics as a whole.
Japan's experience doesn't stand alone. It offers broader lessons for countries navigating similar challenges.
Japan is often called the liminal power. It actually experienced many power status in the past, and it also changed its grand strategy over time. And when we look at the world, we could actually see the many countries that can be seen as the liminal powers, such as the Brazil, South Africa, Australia, and Turkey. But then looking at Japan's case, actually provides us the greater understanding of how those states think about their own foreign policies and the roles they can play regionally and globally.
So what does Japan's journey tell us about strategy in an uncertain world?
Yeah, this actually study is really important because now we are facing a lot of the changes in international politics. we could actually see the US and also the China competing with each other, and then the great politics is actually the one of the main topics that we actually see today. But at the same time, when we see the many countries around the world, we see the rising powers, and they are not necessarily the great powers, but the middle and the small powers are getting together and then collaborate with each other. And this actually creates the new additional the dynamics of the international politics, so that we could actually understand how the middle power and also the small powers can influence international politics in the future. And then with this case study, we could actually find some of the implications that how the middle power and then also small powers can influence and also provides the impactful policies on the international politics.
Japan's grand strategy, Liminal Power in an Uncertain World, offers a fresh perspective on how nations navigate uncertainty and how liminal powers can shape the global and regional order.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow us for more groundbreaking research from the world of academia.